Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for second standard students. Yes children, as you people know that I have completed the lesson, that is the ant and the dove. And then you people have already received the question answers and the meanings of this lesson. So now children, today here we are going to start the new poem. Yes. Before starting the new poem children, let me ask you some questions. How many members do you live in your family? Some of them you live with the joint family. Some of them you live only mummy, papa, brother and sister. Small family. Some people, no one will be there, mummy, papa will go to work, you will come to school, no one will live in the house. But live with your family means how many members are there in your family? In one house, how many of you all stay? Yes, 4 members, 5 members, 6 members you stay. If suddenly all goes outside with some work, papa will go for job, mama will go somewhere outside and sister will go to school, or you are not well, you are sitting in home. When you are very alone in home, how do you feel in the home children? If TV is there, you watch the TV, or you take the mobile and you play the game. Nowadays at least you people are doing that only. Mommy idru ashta, papa idru ashta, mobile tolodu, game aadta kudkodu. Yes or no? You are enjoying the games in the mobile or TV, movies. You are seeing the movies. Yes or no? So, dear children, now when you are alone, when nobody is there in the home, how do you feel? You feel very lonely. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಹತ್ತಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂಥರ ಬೇಜಾರು ಆಗ್ತದ. ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೋಮ್, ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದ, ಫೀಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೋನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು. ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಕೇಡ್? Then sometimes if you are very young and energetic, very courageful, you are very much dare to sit in home alone. If you are not dare, ಭಾಳ ಹೆದರ್ಕೋಕ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ದಿನದ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಅನ್ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿಟ್. ಒಂಥರ ಅನ್ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಅನ್ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ because you are getting scared to stay alone in the home. And then when you are sitting alone in the home, if somebody rings the doorbell, then what you do? You go suddenly outside and you open the door? No. First you get scared. ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ, ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ಡೋರ್ ಬಾರಿಸಿದಾಗ you feel afraid. You get scared to open the door. Then you first open the window and you see from the window who is there outside. Yes or no? You see from the window who is there outside, and then you open the door slowly. Then you will ask, who are you? If any unknown person is there outside, you see from the window, who are you, what you want, why you have come, you ask all the questions. And then you open the door. Yes or no? Same like that only. If somebody would ring the doorbell, how would you open the door? First you open the window and you see who is that person, and then you open the door. Yes or no? We get scared human beings. We human beings get scared to sit alone in the home. But when no one is there in homes, then what happens? Some insects will be there, like flies, spiders will be there, here spider cobs will be there. Yes or no? And some cockroaches will be there, flies will be flying here and there. Many different types of insects are there. Cat will be there, dog you keep outside your house, it starts barking, bow, bow, bow. Yes or no? You keep parrot as a pet also. Mice, they start roaming here and there when nobody is there in the house. ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. They get one chance to roam everywhere in the house. So today we are going to learn the poem. What did these insects and animals did in the home? How did they feel in the home when they are alone, when the people are out of the home. Let us learn this poem today. So you can open page number 21 in your textbooks. Page number 21 in your textbooks, and then this is unit 8. This is unit 8 and this is poem 10. Unit 8, poem 10. Who's in? The name of the poem is Who's in? Who's means yaru. In andre ಒಳಗಡೆ. Yes or no? So the name of the poem is Who's in? So here I will read this poem, children. You can listen to me. The doors shut fast and everybody's out, but people don't know what they are talking about. So the doors, what happens? The doors, they shut fast. There is a house. Yes or no? You have a house and that house is having a door. This is the roof of your house. And here there is a door for your house. And here there is a window. Okay. So, here what the poet is saying, the doors shut fast. When you close it, they shut. Shut andre enu? Muchkolodu. The doors shut and then fast. Fast is what? Bega. The doors shut fast. Muchbirthivi. Yes or no? The doors shut fast and everybody is out. Everybody means ellaru. Everybody. Everybody is out. When the door is shut fast, then everybody is out. But people don't know what they are talking about. But people, they don't know what they are talking. Many people are there outside, but all the people, they don't know about what they are talking about. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. They don't know what they are talking about. See the fly on the wall. Yes, inside the house there is one fly. This is the big window. Here we can see all the things inside the house. Here there is a fly on the wall. This is the wall of the house. What is moving there? A fly is moving on the wall. Fly andre enu? Nona. Nona ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಸೀಸನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೊಣ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕೂಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಹಿ ತಿಂದಾಗ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ನೊಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್? ಫ್ಲೈ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್? ಫ್ಲೈ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ says the fly on the wall. The fly is saying. What is talking now? Who is talking? The fly is talking. Says the fly on the wall. The fly is saying that, and the fame on the coals. Fame. Fame is what, children? What is fame? Fame and coals. Fame andre benki. Baking ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಫೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. One more word is what? Fire, and then we call it as fame also. And then here coal. Coal means what? What is coal? Coal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕರಿ ಕಲರ್ದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ತುಕಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಬೀಳ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ಎಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್? ಕೋಲ್. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ coal. So here, says the fly on the wall. The fly is saying on the wall. Here there is a nice hole inside the house, and and here all the fire is burning. The fire is, all coals are here and the fire is burning more. And the flame on the coals, and the flame on the coals. Flame is what? Benki. Coals mele benki enantadalla adu helikatadu. What it is saying? And the dog on his rug. You can see the picture here. Here the dog is sleeping. Yes, children, you can see here. Here, see here. A fly on the wall. What is this? Fly. A fly on the wall, and then a dog on the rug. Here it is sleeping on the rug, and then a coals on the flame. This is called flame. Flame andre enu? Benki. Yes or no? Idike enantivi? Benki. And the flame on the coals, and then and the mice in their holes. You can see the mice are here, children. These are called, this is the hole, and this animal is called as what? Mice. What is this animal? Mice. And the mice in their hole. The mice is sitting in its home. What is the mice home? The hole is called the mice home. And the kittens curled up. And the kittens curled up. You can see here is the basket. And in the basket there are two kittens. And these two kittens are sticking to each other. These two kittens are sticking to each other. And the spiders that spin. You can see here. This is the web of the spider's web. What web this is? This is a spider. Ideno adradu mane, adike enanta karitevi? Web. And the spider that spins, it is spinning and coming down here. From down it will go up, again it will come down to build a big web. That is the home of the spider. What everyone's out, why everyone's in? So the poet is asking, what everyone out, why everyone's in? The people are out and the animals are inside the home. So these people are not, this poet is saying that what all these people are talking about. What are they talking? What are they doing? We are not understanding anything. These animals are telling what the people are talking outside. We are not understanding anything. Only we people are here inside the house. Who are there? The spider, the dog, the cats, and the fly, and the mouse, rats. These all things are there. See, says the fly on the wall and the flame on the coals, the dog on his rug. The dog, where it is sleeping? It is sleeping on the rug. And the next is what there? And the mice in their holes. Mice. Where are the mice sleeping? The mice are sleeping in the holes. Hole is the home of the mice. Hole is the home of the mice. And then the kittens curled up. The kittens curled up. Kittens. Kittens andre bekkin marigalu. Yes or no? The babies of the cat are called as what? Kittens. So here, and the spiders spin. Spiders. Spider. And then spin. These are the words in the poem that you all have to learn, children. So here you can see these all animals are talking that what these people are talking outside. We don't know anything. Why everyone is out? Why everyone is in? Why everyone is going out? And why everyone is sitting inside? So the poet is not understanding anything. So he is asked, who is in? So he has kept the name of the poem, who is in. People are busy in talking and the animals are busy in their work inside the home. So who is in? Who is there? Inside. So once again I will read this poem. Who's in? The door shut fast and everybody's out, but people don't know what they are talking about. Say the fly on the wall and the flame on the coals, and the dog on his rug and the mice in their holes, and the kittens curled up and the spiders that spin. What? Everyone's out while everyone's in. What? Everyone's out while everyone's in. So this is the poem. Yes children. So I will send you the poem with the image. Now let us see this poem video children.
The doors shut fast and everybody's out. But people don't know what they are talking about. Say the fly on the wall and the flame on the coals, and the dog on his rug and the mice in their holes, and the kittens curled up and the spiders that spin. What? Everyone out? Why? Everyone's in.
So here children, you saw the video of this poem, that is who is in. So by seeing that video you can come to know what is the poet talking about. So here children, so when we are alone in the home, we are very much scared to leave. If someone comes and rings the doorbell, then we should not open the door suddenly. First we have to ask the questions. Who are you? What do you want? From where are you? And then if the person is very well known to you, then you can open the door and talk to them. But when the unknown person comes, we have to ask these 4 questions and then we have to open the door. So we human beings, we follow this. But what about the animals? They don't know the word. They can't speak. They can't talk. So we have all these feelings. The same feelings are also with them. So the poet is saying that what are the people talking outside? These animals, they don't know. They are staying inside the house with their own work. Yes or no? So here children, a small activity I am going to give you people. What is that? A small activity that you have to draw the image of this fame. See here. Here they have marked fame, coal, fame and coal. Yes. So this image you have to draw in your notebook. Activity 1. This is activity 1 for activity 2. Already 2 I have given. 1 I have given. This is the second activity. You have to draw this image and color it. Very beautifully you can draw and send me the photocopy of this drawing. And I will be in front of you in the next video children. So read this poem again and again. Once let us read these words. So here S-H-U-T, shut. What is this? S-H-U-T, shut. F-A-S-T, fast. F-A-S-T, fast. E-V-E-R-Y-B-O-D-Y, everybody. E-V-E-R-Y-B-O-D-Y, everybody. F-L-Y, fly. F-L-Y, fly. F-L-A-M-E, fame. F-L-A-M-E, flame. C-O-A-L-S, coals. C-O-A-L-S, coals. R-U-G, R-U-G, rug. R-U-G, rug. M-I-C-E, mice. M-I-C-E, mice. H-O-L-E-S, holes. H-O-L-E-S, holes. C-U-R-L-E-D, crulled. C-U-R-L-E-D, crulled. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. S-P-I-D-E-R-S, spiders. S-P-I-D-E-R-S, spiders. S-I-S-P-I-N, spin. S-P-I-N, spin. These are the words that we have used in this poem. So children, when you receive this video, you have to read these words, not only the words, name of the words, you have to read the spellings also. Once I will read this poem and I will sum up. Who's in? The door shut fast and everybody's out. But people don't know what they are talking about. Says the fly on the wall and the flame on the coals, and the dogs on his rug and the mice in their holes, and the kittens curled up and the spiders that spin. What's everyone out? Why everyone's in? So this you have to read the poem. Read again and again this poem. This poem may come for written exam also. So you bahar this poem, then I will be in front of you in the next video. Thank you children. Have a great day.